Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all will be doing well. It is December month's current affair. It is part third of December month's current affair that is very important from the point of view of DS Lawset and AP Lawset. So we are gonna start. So the question number one is when is 1 second. So question number first is when is International Civil Aviation Day celebrated? Its answer is A 7th of December. And the theme for 2024 is Safe Skies, Sustainable Future, together for the next 18 years. Question number 2. What is the name of the channel launched for Indian Sign Language by Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan? Its right answer is B. PME Vidya DTH channel. Question number 3. Which organization won the third PSU Transformation Award for Innovative Product Development for its FDRE supply model for discoms? Its right answer is C. Solar Energy Corporation of India. Question number 4. Which country has been elected to chair the 68th session of the Commission on Narcotic Drugs for the first time? Its right answer is D. India. Question number 5. Who has assumed charge as the president of the Asian Cricket Council? Its right answer is D. Sammy Silva. Question number 6. Who was the winner of the jury choice category of the National Youth Authors Fair 2024-25 in India? Its right answer is B. Rihanna Sachdeva. Question number 7. Who won the prestigious Turner Prize 2024? Its right answer is A. Jasleen Kaur. Question number 8. Who will be awarded the Indira Gandhi Peace, Disarmament and Development Prize for 2024? Its right answer is B. Michelle Bachelet. Question number 9. When is Armed Forces Flag Day celebrated? Its right answer is C. 7th of December. Question number 10. Which country is the theme country in the 30th Kolkata International Film Festival 2024? Its right answer is C. France. Question number 11. Who won the International Social Security Association Good Practice Award for Asia Pacific 2024? Its right answer is A. India. Question number 12. Which title did India win in the Men's Junior Asia Cup 2024 after beating Pakistan 5-3 in the final in the final in December 2024? Its right answer is C. Fifth. Question number 13. When is the World Soil Day celebrated every year? Its right answer is B. 5th December. And the theme for 2024 is caring for soils, measure, monitor, and manage. Question number 14. The Indian Society of Aerospace Medicine is organizing its 63rd annual conference from 5 to 7 December 2024 at the Institute of Aerospace Medicine. Where? Its right answer is A. Bangalore. Question number 15. Maria Victoria Juan won the Guardians Global Nursing Award 2024. In which year was the Esther Guardians Global Nursing Award launched? This award is to recognize the important role of nurse in the healthcare? Its right answer is D. 2021. Question number 16. Which of the following days is celebrated as International Volunteer Day? Its right answer is A. December 5. And the theme for 2024 is Diverse Volunteers, Stronger Communities. Question number 17. Which edition of the Kolkata International Film Festival was inaugurated by the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in 2024? Its right answer is C. 30th. Question number 18. The FIFA E World Cup 2024 featuring E football is set to be held in which city? Its right answer is C. Riyadh. Question number 19. Which country will host the Women's T20 World Cup in 2025? Its right answer is B. India. Question number 20. How many people were conferred the National Award for Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities by the President of India in 2024? Its right answer is C. 33. Question number 21. Which state was awarded the geographical indication tag for its traditional handicraft, Gharchola, known for its intricate designs and cultural motifs? Its right answer is B. Gujarat. Question number 22. Where has nanobubble technology been launched for cleaning and purification of water to promote the health of aquatic organisms? Its right answer is A. National Geological Park, Delhi. Question number 23. When is Indian Navy Day celebrated? Its right answer is B. 4th December. And the theme for 2024 is strengthen and power through innovation and indigenization. Question number 24. Which word was named the Oxford Word of the Year 2024? Its right answer is D. Brain rot. Question number 25. Who won the bronze medal for India in e-football at the 2024 Asian e-sports game in Bangkok? Its right answer is C. Pawan Kampelli. Question number 26. When is World Computer Literacy Day celebrated? Its right answer is B. December 2nd. And the theme for 2024 is empowering generations through digital literacy. Question number 27. Where will the World Maritime Conference 2024 will be held? Its right answer is A. Chennai. Question number 28. Where will the fourth edition of the Red Sea Film Festival 2024 will be held? Its right answer is A. Jeddah. Question number 29. Which of the following organization has adopted 2nd December as International Day for the Abolition of Slavery? Its right answer is B. United Nations General Assembly. Question number 30. When will International Day for the Abolition of Slavery 2024 be celebrated? Its right answer is C. 2nd December 2024. And the theme for this year is creating global freedom, countering racism with justice in societies and among nations. Question number 31. Who was honored with the United Nations Global Excellence Award on November 27, 2024 for his contribution to health care and philanthropy? Its right answer is D. Dr. Basant Goyal. Question number 32. What was the theme of World AIDS Day 2024? Its right answer is D. Take the right path. My health, my right. Question number 33. And the World AIDS Day is celebrated on 1st December. And it was started in 1988. Question number 33. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of National Securities Depository Limited? Its right answer is B. Vijay Chandok. Question number 34. At the Indian Petroleum Industry Award 2023, which company won several awards, including Oil Marketing Company of the Year and the Digitally Advanced Company of the Year? Its right answer is D. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Question number 35. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the World Trade Organization for a second term starting September 1st, 2025? Its right answer is A. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Question number 36. National Pollution Control Day is celebrated on which day? Its right answer is B. December 2nd December. And the theme for this year is Clean Air, Green Earth. I step towards sustainable living. Question number 37. Who was the renowned economic historian and scholar known for works such as Private Investment in India 1900 to 1939, The Political Economy of Underdevelopment, who died at the age of 83? Its right answer is B. Amya Kumar Bagchi. Question number 38. Who was identified as the world's oldest person by Guinness World Record in April 2024 and died at the age of 112 years? Its right answer is C. John Tinnis Wood. Question number 39. Which film won the ICFT UNESCO Gandhi Medal at the 55th International Film Festival of India 2024? Its right answer is D. Crossing. Question number 40. Who was honored with the Indian Film Personality Award at the 55th International Film Festival of India 2024? Its right answer is A. Vikrant Messi. Question number 41. Which country has been re-elected to the United Nations Peace Building Commission for the term 2025-2026? Its right answer is A. India. Question number 42. A film titled Toxic has won the Golden Peacock Award for the Best Feature Film at the 55th International Film Festival of India 2024. Which is the origin country of this film? Its right answer is B. Lithuania. So friends, it was part third of the December's most important current affairs. That was very important from the point of view of T.S. Lawson. So for December month, that's it. We will discuss in next video uh, the important current affairs of January month. So for this, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.